In this video, we are going to talk about how to get client on Upwork fast, in less than a week. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Some people swear by Upwork to obtain clients, while others have never had any luck with the platform. It seemed to me to be a great platform for getting started, as a freelancer, but not for a long-term strategy. As a result, clients may be tempted to pay you less. Upwork, and other freelancing sites, are frequently used by clients looking for low-cost services. That is simply the hard reality. Here's the details of the how to get client on Upwork fast, in less than a week. Let's start. Number 10. Build relationships with clients. If you're working with a customer on a project, don't think of it as a one-time deal. To obtain repeat business, try to form a long-term relationship with your current and previous clientele. You might either do more of the same job for the client, or suggest a new service that will benefit them. You may, for example, offer to produce press releases, generate white papers and case studies, or refresh website material if you're a freelance writer who writes blog articles for customers. Another advantage of cultivating a relationship with your clients is that they may be able to assist you in identifying new prospects. After completing a job, you can request a testimonial, or a referral to other firms who can benefit from your services. Number 9. Be patient and don't give up. It's likely that your first client was the most difficult to secure. Now it's just a matter of replicating that success to land future jobs. A successful freelance business takes time to develop. To obtain new clients, be patient, remain hopeful, and put in the effort. Upwork is an excellent platform to take your profession to the next level. There are a plethora of freelancing options to choose from. To enhance your chances of earning more jobs on Upwork in 2021, put these 10 tactics to work for your freelance company. Number 8. Remember to give reasons why the client should work with you. Your Upwork proposal can be a terrific place for clients to learn more about you, and help you stand out. When drafting your client letter, make sure it's easy to understand, and highlights the advantages of hiring you for their job. You should describe how your experience will benefit the client's project, and tell them how long you've been in the industry. Number 7. Separate yourself from competitors. Because you'll be competing against a lot of other experts, it's ideal to start thinking about how you can stand out as soon as possible. A profile video with an introduction is a terrific method to do this. Number 6. Ask questions and offer solutions. Some job postings include pre-programmed proposal questions that ask whether you have any queries about the project. This gives you another chance to demonstrate that you're qualified to assist. Make sure you only ask questions that demonstrate how well you grasp the situation, and what has to be done to address it. You can also ask questions in your proposal, but don't overburden the client to the point where responding becomes more difficult. Questions about the timetable, product or business details, or what you may expect on a day-to-day basis while working on the project are all good ones to ask. Number 5. Include work samples and past results. Attaching previous work samples helps to establish confidence and reliability. Clients care a lot about a freelancer's previous work, and it can be the most important aspect in their decision. A well-written Upwork profile is also useful in this situation. Clients typically glance through the profile, after seeing an impressive bid to obtain more useful information. Linking your portfolio to successful project reviews is a good technique, after making sure your profile backs up what you're stating. Number 4. Provide proof that you can get the job done. Clients want to know that the freelancer they hire will be able to handle the project. Showing a prospective client an example of something comparable you've already done is the simplest way to convince them that you can succeed. In your portfolio or Upwork profile, highlight a couple of your former experiences that are relevant to their project needs. Number 3. Show understanding of the client's goals and job description. The initial few phrases should demonstrate that you have a thorough understanding of the client's requirements. On Upwork, potential clients want to know you'll be on their side. They want to know you have the necessary abilities, and are willing to assist them in achieving their goals. Always begin by reiterating the primary issues or making a statement about the task. This demonstrates that you have studied the project description thoroughly, and possess the requisite expertise. Number 2. Attract the client's attention. Typically, you'll be competing with more than a dozen other freelancers for the same project offer. Your proposal will most likely just have a few seconds to make an impression, before the customer moves on to the next. The aim of your proposal, from the client's standpoint, is to discover the freelancer who can best assist them. When you get right to the issues that matter to the client, you have a far better chance of landing that job. Number 1. How to write an Upwork proposal that shines. Writing an Upwork proposal is a skill in and of itself, and like any other skill, practice makes perfect. One of the most crucial aspects to consider while drafting a solid proposal is the framework. While each proposal should be tailored to the freelancer and the job description, most successful proposals contain the following elements: a brief hello and introduction, followed by a succinct repetition of the client's primary requirement, or problem. A simple statement that assures them that you can solve their problem. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.